Hello everyone, I'm Faye. Today we're going to make a healthy tomato and tofu stew. We deal with the tomatoes first. In order to peel the skin, I made a cross cut on the top. And soak them in boiling water for a few minutes. Make sure the water is just boiled and enough amount to cover the tomatoes. Cut the tofu into thin slices. Break 3 eggs in a bowl and stir up well. Pour the eggs in. Shake gently to soak. Use medium heat to stir-fry the tofu. It will take a couple of minutes for the tofu to turn into brown color. We can use this time to deal with other ingredients. Mince the garlic and slice the spring onion. For tomatoes, we should be able to peel the skin now and slice them into small chunks. Alright, tofu is now in golden brown. We get it out of the pan and set aside. The same pan and oil, we put the minced garlic and 2/3 of spring onion, stir fry until a fragrant aroma. Put tomatoes in and stir together. Once the tomatoes get juicy, we can put the fried tofu into the pan and stir them all together. Put some water into the flour, stir quickly and pour it into the pan. This step is to give the dish some creamy taste. Add some salt. Switch off the heat and the dish is ready. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.